Hey guys, welcome to the 10X Academy. I am your host JR, and in today's video, I will be discussing how to invest and make money in real estate and the perks and benefits real estate provides to create cash flow. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I will discuss how you too can invest in real estate to create scalable multiple flows of income that can create massive wealth to allow you to retire early and never have to work again. There are many forms of real estate investing. From investing in residential properties such as homes, condominiums, or apartment buildings, to commercial properties such as malls, offices, or hotels, and industrial properties such as factories and warehouses. There are also other forms of indirect or passive investing in real estate. These include REITs, real estate crowdsourcing platforms, as well as syndicators, who are middlemen who bring in investors with cash and buyers and put deals together, offering a percentage of profits paid out to investors. The purpose is still the same, to make a profit in real estate. REITs stand for Real Estate Investment Trusts. They're like mutual funds publicly traded on the stock market and basically comprised of companies that own commercial real estate such as office buildings, retail spaces, apartments, and hotels. REITs are completely hands-off or passive types of investment. You don't own any of the real estate and are just receiving a dividend for placing your money into the fund. REITs can appreciate or depreciate over time as the company buys or sells assets and makes profits or takes losses. Investments in REITs are great for retirement accounts or long-term investments that pay dividends. However, they are not tax deductible and don't share the advantages of investing in physical, residential properties. Check out the link in the description on how to invest in REITs using a brokerage account. Real estate crowdsourcing platforms connect real estate developers to investors who are interested in investing in real estate with a more hands-off approach through a private market. Investors receive monthly or quarterly distributions in exchange for taking significant risk in financing projects through debt or equity, along with a fee to the platform. With these investments, you can't unload them easily and are highly illiquid. Platforms such as Fundrise or Realty Shares require very little minimum investment to start. Although they guarantee up to 12% return on your investment, these platforms are highly speculative investments with high risk and returns are not guaranteed. Investing in rental properties involves finding a property to purchase and rent out, either a house or a multi-unit residential property. One option is to purchase a house with multiple rooms and rent out the rooms while also living in the house, also called house hacking. House hacking lets investors buy a property with up to 4 units and still qualify for a residential loan. Living in the home while renting out the other rooms can potentially cover the cost of all the expenses while you make additional income while living rent-free. Another option is to purchase homes or multi-unit residential properties and rent out the units. Invest in undervalued properties where value can be added by remodeling to increase value. Location is key to maximize returns. Is there a Starbucks or a Whole Foods nearby? Use the leveraging of big companies with big budgets for research and marketing and buy properties in these areas. Invest in properties where the net operating income is positive. All your expenses, including incurred debt costs, are covered by your rental income, and there is positive cash flow coming in every month. For more information on how to calculate cash flow, check out my video titled A Simple Guide to Calculating Real Estate Passive Income. Link is in the description. These are some of the advantages of investing in residential real estate property. Use the power of leveraging or borrowing money from a bank, also known as bank financing, to finance a property with a smaller down payment. Any interest paid on the mortgage is tax deductible against the rental income. You are also guaranteed cash flow as long as your NOI is positive. Another advantage is appreciation or capital gains. The property goes up in value as market prices increase and the property appreciates. Another advantage is also depreciation. The value of a rental property investment can be depreciated for 27.5 years and can be offset against rental income. Also, additional costs for repairs or maintenance can be deducted for that year. Rental income is basically tax-free. Take advantage of 1031 exchanges. If an investment property is sold for profit, that profit can be rolled into another investment property without paying taxes on the property. How about home sale tax exclusion? If you live at a primary residence for at least 2 of the last 5 years at the property, the first $250,000 profit is tax-free when the property is sold, or $500,000 profit if you're married and the property is sold. Yet another advantage is cash-out refinancing. Property owners can take out equities from their property as a mortgage and use that money to purchase another rental property tax-free. Any interest paid on the mortgage is also a tax deduction against the rental income of that property. Finally, you can take advantage of HELOCs, or a home equity line of credit. A line of credit on the equity of a property can be used to take out a loan and be paid back versus going to a bank for financing at higher rates. These are some of the advantages of investing in residential real estate property. Cash flow is key in creating massive wealth by creating multiple streams of income. Rental properties are scalable, and the tax advantages as well as capital gains and flexibility in transferring assets to other investments with tax-free benefits makes real estate one of the best investments to grow wealth. And that's how you create massive wealth, by investing in real estate properties. So make sure you take advantage of these investment tips to increase your cash flow into multiple streams of income. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed watching videos like this and would like to watch similar videos in the future. And don't forget to smash that like.